Pixelation happens when an image is enlarged beyond its capacity or capabilities. What happens when a picture is pixelated? You get to see the shape of the pixel. This is a regular image, a normal image, a clear image, not pixelated. Now, I am going to enlarge this. I am going to enlarge this in stages. The first stage, where if you look very closely, you can see it getting slightly pixelated. The second stage, I enlarge it more. You can definitely see the shape of the pixels. The third stage, shape of the pixels are very clear, and the fourth stage, it is totally pixelated. You see the squarish pixels, totally pixelated. So, this image has been enlarged beyond what it can be. We will go through another example. This is a very colorful image, absolutely no pixels, clear. I am going to enlarge this now. The first stage, you see the pixels. Let us go to the second stage. The third stage, and the fourth stage, where you see the squarish pixels or the shape of the pixels clearly visible. So, pixelation happens when you enlarge an image beyond its capabilities or capacities. So, you got to stop enlarging a picture. You could easily test it out when you put it in your computer, take it to 100%, take it to 150%, take it to 200%, see where you get the pixels, where you see the pixels emerging, and you stop a little before that. We move on to the other camera defect, which is the noise. When does noise appear, or what does noise depend on? Noise, definitely the processor. If you have a good quality processor, you will not have noise in your pictures. Noise is an electronic disturbance. Noise could be equated to probably grains in the film camera. Then you have the ISO. As you increase the ISO, you will get more noise. When you are shooting something between 100 ISO and 400 ISO, 400 ISO image will have noise. Again, noise depends upon the cameras. Some cameras, even at 3000 ISO, they do not produce noise because they have a very good processor. Some cameras start producing noise even at 400 ISO. The entry level cameras will start producing noise at 400 or 800 ISO, whereas the advanced cameras, noise would be visible only after 3000 ISO. So, the general rule is lower the ISO, better are your chances of reducing noise. Then what you have is the resolution. The higher resolution photographs or higher resolution images will stand a better enlargement, but strictly speaking a lower resolution camera will have less noise than a higher resolution camera, but in terms of enlargement a higher resolution camera is required. Then you have the density of the image. Noise normally builds up in the shadow areas. Now again let me go back to the whiteboard and the blackboard images. If you shoot a whiteboard and if you shoot a blackboard, there are more chances of getting noise in the image of a blackboard than in the whiteboard. So density of the image, you get noise. In a darker subject you get more noise, in a lighter subject you get less noise or no noise. Then of course intensity of light. In bright sunlight you will not get noise, but in shadow areas, in dull light or when you are shooting indoors, the chances of getting noise are definitely there. So noise depends on all these parameters, and you have to avoid noise, you got to avoid pixelization if you want to produce a good image. We will now have a look at two images, one shot at 100 ISO and the other shot at 3200 ISO. The one shot at 100 ISO is clear, is smooth, does not have any noise. Now you have a look at the one shot at 3200 ISO. There you find dots which are called noise, the dots or specks are called noise. You will find noise more in the darker areas than in the lighter areas. The center one has got a lot of noise, whereas the white tumblers have lesser amount of noise, whereas the center one which is dark has more noise. As I told you, noise builds up in the dark areas. Now when you go out to shoot or when you want to give your photograph to somebody for presentation or for sale, you got to see that it is not pixelated or does it have noise. For if it has noise, it would be rejected.